Securing your network access is crucial to being able to access the internet safely, as your internet service provider, or ISP, is often where much surveillance happens. If you do not secure your network access, you are not only revealing your location and the content of your internet browsing to ISPs like Verizon, AT&T, and Comcast, but also they can then filter, surveil, and even block sites from you at their own servers. A VPN or Tor are like condoms for your computer to access the internet safely. Use a virtual private network or VPN to connect to the internet. A VPN will privatize your network searches so that your browsing data is only your own and not the internet company's. Not all VPNs are alike, so read their privacy policy and confirm how long they store your data and under what terms they will surrender it. When not using a VPN, the Tor browser is an excellent option to provide anonymity and to bypass censorship. Always make sure you update your Tor browser regularly. Use extensions like HTTPS Everywhere and Privacy Badger to secure your browsing. Use DuckDuckGo to replace your search engine. That way, your search history is not being tracked.